Hi there and welcome to the weekly wrap video. Now this week some of the focus was on the RBA and their rate decision whereby they cut rates by 25 basis points to 1.75%. Later on in the week we did see their statement on monetary policy as well, whereby they reduced their inflation forecast for the year to 1 to 2% from the previously 2 to 3%. As such, Aussie dollar coming under some significant pressure against its major pairs throughout the week. Now elsewhere we did see Caixin Chinese manufacturing PMI come in below expectations, alongside the services and composite PMIs coming in lower than the previous readings. So there's been a bit of a general risk-off sentiment throughout the marketplace this week, and much of it has been led by the Asia session. All markets this week slightly lower, around 2% or so, despite we did see this Canadian wildfire continuing to spread, now encompassing an area of around 850 kilometres, not having too much of an impact as a whole on the oil market, but it does continue, and as such displacing a lot of the populace in the surrounding area. Elsewhere, in terms of the US side of things, we did see earnings releases this week from Merck, Pfizer, Alibaba and MetLife, to name but a few. And we also did see the termination of the merger pact between Halliburton and Baker Hughes. Finally this week, Friday was rounded off with the latest NFP reading, which came in below expectations at 160,000 versus the expected 200,000, with unemployment also rising to 5% versus the expected 4.9%. So off the initial readings, we did see some dollar weakness across the board, yet throughout the rest of the session the dollar did pair those early losses. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you have a good weekend.